You can use trig as well to find area, depending on the information that's provided. It requires that you know one angle and the other two sides if you're going to use it. And so if you have, again, a triangle ABC where the lowercase letters are the sides opposite it, there's three area formulas you can use for this triangle. Again, as long as you have a known angle and then the other two sides, the two sides that are adjacent to that. So again, area using SAS. So the two sides in the included angle. Okay, here's the pattern, or here's the equations that you can use. It's 1/2 the sine of the angle times the product of the other two sides. Okay, so one way to write that is this. Okay, if what you have is angle B and the two sides that form that angle, you have a second possibility. Guys, and the final case is if you have angle C and the two sides that form that angle. Okay, these are the formulas that you are working with. Okay, so if I ask you to find the area of triangle ABC when B is equal to 25 degrees, A is equal to 17, and C is equal to 33. Okay, it's just to plug it in and solve it. Okay, so again, I'd suggest you have this in your notes, accessible to find. And you're simply going to apply the correct formula. 1/2. Again, the way I would look at it is I'd take the sine of my angle, in this case 25 degrees, and then the product of the other two sides. Again, not the side opposite it, but the sides that are adjacent to it or form this SAS pattern. So 17 and 33. Okay, and so again, it just becomes a simple calculation for this. Was what? 118.5. Okay, it's an area, so it's square units if it was asking to label. The U just represents some unlabeled unit. Okay, and so that's all you'd have to do.